Hey guys, once again welcome back to new video of unique earnings. In every video, I tell you how can you earn lots of dollars with unique and legit ways with very less efforts. So make sure to subscribe to Unique Earnings. So let's start with our video. Today I will show you a unique way of earning money without doing anything. You just have to open internet and set apps only once, and our work ends here. Apps will do everything. Today I will show you top 3 application which will pay you just for receiving SMS messages. By using these 3 application, you will able to earn lots of dollar as passive income. Don't miss the last one, which pays very good as passive income without doing anything. Number 3 on list is Money SMS. You only need to install this app on your mobile phone and you will get paid just for receiving SMS text messages. You earn money with the app passively without any active actions required from your side. This app does not read any of your private messages or use any other data. They can access only our own test SMS. Don't worry, you don't get much irritating SMS. You can see here total users of this app and money paid by this app to users. You must try this application. Number 2 on list is McMoney. This app is also same as Money SMS, but it pays better. This app will send test SMS to your phone number from time to time. Every received test message adds money to your balance. This app also provides refer and earn policy. Top on our list is Simcash. This app does not pay for receiving SMS, but Simcash make you earn by selling your unused SMS with doing nothing. You get earned €0.01 per each SMS sent, and you can set how many SMS you want to send. This app does not leak your privacy. It's a full legit and trusted app. To earn more with this app, you can make a single account and can log in different devices to boost your income. So keep earning. Hope you liked today's video. Subscribe Unique Earnings for more earning tricks.